Hi Megha.
Hi Megha.
Megha is an early childhood educator and a child play therapist, and we are very happy to have her here. So a lot of parents have a question that is play enough for their early childhood learning?
Absolutely. Play is a child's basic form of communication as well as learning. Through play, children learn so many skills. Problem solving, they develop so much of boosting in self-confidence and emotional expressions. There's so much of pretending. There's so much of experiences and experiments that take place. All of these things lead to rewiring, like a positive rewiring in the neurons in the brain, which actually helps a child with a lot of long-term memory. And it's as simple as through play.
So that's exactly what we try to do at Peekadoodle, where we give them ample time to play in class. There are guided plays, there are unguided plays, we've got pretend play setups. We want them to imagine, we want them to be a little creative.
When I entered your space today at Peekadoodle, I think it kind of took me back to the memory of what I was looking for, like my child was born today. I would have been more than happy to get this envision out here today.
So,
yeah, and I can see the amount of emphasis that you've put based on the fact that yes, it has to be play based. It can't be rote learning, and it has to be through memories and experiments and fun and all of it. We're talking about like a play school and parent toddler and a nursery. There's just so much of innocence which is there, and those are the years that is going to lead them with positive memories for the rest of their life. And that is why it is so crucial and so important to have a preschool which is so warm, which is so welcoming. The teachers are educated, they are so much at the level of the child, and it is so important for the parents to consider that. I'm so glad that you've had something like this which is so beautiful and so child centric.